What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Gfal fam, games for a living fam. We back with another video. It's been a couple of days, some days since I made a Gfal video. It came down to a nice entry point because I covered it on stream. It came down to a nice entry point. If you took that opportunity, man, you're sitting pretty nice with a 30 to 40% move, guys. Gfal is pumping. Gfal is pumping. Early buyers of this project could potentially become millionaires with Gfal, guys. As always, though, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, right? Now go support my previous Gfal videos, guys. Make them go viral. Let's get them to 10,000 views a piece. And if you hold Gfal, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Look at Gfal. It came down to that 1 cent mark where you could get 100K for $1,000. It came down to the flat 1 cent mark. And now you'd be up around $390 if you got that 1,000 or 100K Gfal for $1,000, guys. It's already breaking out once again, up 24%. It's been making moves up, guys. Gfal is pumping and millionaires will be made. $6.4 million in market cap, 1 million 24-hour trade volume. Tokenomics aside, the project is super bullish as far as a gaming project. It's like Gala on steroids, which I've stated before. And there's a ton of games that they're developing, and there's more to come. They already have some games developed, and I'm sure, you know, the project will continue to crush it from here. This is where you get these, you know, this is where you get 100x's. 6.4 mil market cap. This is where you get yourself 100x's, guys. Look at this on Dex Tools right here. It dropped down. We were covering it on stream. Dropped down to that 1 cent mark. I was like, wow, guys, this looks like a nice entry for Gfal at 1 cent. You know, you could get 100K for 1,000, and then boom, it made a nice pop to the upside, right? Back up to, you know, 1 cent 4, right? 14. So just like that, the quickest, like in a day, the quickest $400 you'd ever make. Insane stuff, guys. Absolutely insane stuff, and super bullish stuff for Gfal. I don't think this is the end of the pump. I think it's gonna keep crushing it. The project is a great project. You check Twitter, you type in hashtag Gfal, and you'll see what I'm talking about, guys. That's why we're gonna go through some of the recent tweets as well, and you know, just continue to cover it on the channel, right? Recently, 54K followers on Twitter. Recently, we are excited to announce that Elemental Raiders will take part in the world's largest gaming festival circuit, Dream Hack Spin. 38K followers from July 6th to 9th in Valencia. So Elemental Raiders, one of the top games for Gfal, 279K followers, is spreading the message of the game, right? And that's boom. That is like subcategory marketing for Gfal. Subcategory marketing. I just made that up. Subcategory marketing for Gfal. Elemental Raiders is a hit, and it becomes a huge game that everyone loves. Guess what happens to Gfal? More and more people get into Gfal because of this, right? Because Gfal is the creator of Elemental Raiders, right? It's all tied together and connected. Last update was the Gfal ID on the 7th. But that aside, we know the team is working. We know things are being done consistently. Yeah, so this was the 13th of a few days ago, and yeah, man, we know the team is crushing it. From Ron BTC, everyone knows how I like Gfal. I was absolutely buying at the bottom of that range. It was just doing before this string candle up. So yeah, Ron.BTC bought Gfal around the 1 cent mark. Boom, instant 40% profit, just like that, guys. Dubsy still holding some Gfal. Oh wow, Dubsy's bullish on Gfal. I follow him on my main Twitter account. Didn't know. I didn't know he liked Gfal. Interesting. Still holding some Gfal from the Gfal official IDO that we bought through the Certified Fund earlier this year. Not doing too bad considering the market conditions. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I didn't know he was bullish on Doge. So he got in the IDO and he's still holding a bag. Okay, nice. From Slater, is Gfal the future of gaming? Gfal official summarized in 95 seconds. Let's take a look at this video, guys. Let's take a look. Let me make sure my audio is on point. I don't blow you guys' ears out. Let's take a look. To make Web3 gaming the mainstream form of gaming, which I truly believe it will. It's gonna move from Web 2 to Web 3. It's only a matter of time. Got the game tools right here, the user ID, wallet token and NFT creation, game analytics and event hosting. They got a ton of developments that is fleshed out in the Gfal ecosystem, guys. Look at this, man. Includes co-founders Manel Sort, former FVP at Activision, Blizzard King, and Trip Hawkins. Like I said, I'm not fading Trip Hawkins. When I did my research on Trip Hawkins, I was like, whoa, that alone makes this project super bullish. Founder and first CEO of Electronic Arts. And I didn't even know Manel Sort was a FVP at Blizzard. Y'all go do y'all research on Blizzard, man. Blizzard, I think, is a responsible. Let's take a quick Google search. Blizzard games. Let's see, man. I think it's League of Legends. Okay, Blizzard. Wow. I didn't even know they did all of these ones. Let me see the video games. Hold on. Can I see the 20? It's not showing the 25 plus. But hold on, let me see real quick, man. I thought they would bring them up in like alphabetical order for me to dive in. World of Warcraft, guys. Diablo 4 just recently came out. You know, while that loads, man, I don't know why my videos or my internet's taking forever to load, but we're gonna take a look at that in a second. All tokens unlocked after 120 months. So there's a tokenomics breakdown for you guys, man. But honestly, I really think Gfal could explode before that, because we're getting closer and closer to the bull run, right? 120 months is around, how many years is that? That's a lot of years, actually. Let's see. 120 divided by 12. That's 10 years. Wow. That's super guys, who is so all the tokens are unlocked after 12 years, because it's 12 months in a year. 10 years, my bad, because it's 12 months in a year. Guys, who's bearish on the tokenomics? This clears it up for you guys. 10 years for all the tokens to be unlocked, guys. The next bull run is gonna happen in the next couple years, right? That's what I'm saying. If the project sends, more than likely it will send, you know, in the bull market before the tokens, even a big percentage of the tokens gets unlocked. This could be the easiest 6 figures made, man. Let me take a look at the circulating supply right now. 500 mil market cap for $1, guys, and it takes 120 months. 10 years for all the tokens to, man, 120 months for all the tokens to be unlocked. Yeah, so Gfal just gotta hit 500 mil to a bill this cycle. Boom, that's $2. Gfal 100k. 100,000 Gfal. That's $100,000 to $200,000 this next cycle. Crazy. Think it's this is loaded. So yeah, Diablo 4 is launching. This is all Blizzard, right? And we have one of the FVPs from Blizzard working on Gfal, World of Warcraft, Overwatch, Hearthstone, one of those big strategy games, right? That's insane. Think about that, guys. That connection is super bullish and very insane. Let's finish this video out. Here you go once again. Breakdown of the tokenomics, guys. Private sale 15, pre-sale 2, 10% to the liquidity, 18% to the team advisors, 2%, developers 5%, foundation 15, reserve 10, marketing 7.5, and 15% to in-game tournaments. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. $2 per Gfal this cycle. $1 to $2 per Gfal this cycle. I wouldn't rule it out, man. 10 years for all the tokens to be unlocked. That is bullish. There you go. People that are bearish on the tokenomics, there you go. 10 years. 10 years. That's, you know, that's more than enough time to get crazy gains, guys. Hello SVN. A strong crypto community is not busy participants who silently wait for the growth of their token, but a group of active, like-minded people who are ready to do a lot for the growth. Let's unite. Gfal. And I'm telling you, the community is super active and bullish, man. This is one of the bullish projects in the space. I'm bullish on Gfal, especially after, you know, how it's proven itself, you know. Time and time again, it's proven itself, you know, guys. Yeah, man, 100k Gfal, in my opinion, will go very far in the future. Now that you guys know that it takes 10 years for these full tokens to be out, I would be a bit more bullish on Gfal. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get this video to 10,000 views. Support these videos, guys. You support these videos blow up. Guess what? That's more people that comes into Gfal and supports the project, buys the project, you know, and spreads more awareness of the project, so it keeps growing and developing. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I have Patreon. If you guys want to join my Patreon to get access to all my calls early, buy alerts, sell alerts, I personally recommend my crypto elite tier. Taking a bit of time to load. I don't know why this keeps happening, guys. My apologies, man. But yeah, I personally recommend my crypto elite tier, where you get access to my private Discord, my buy alerts and sell alerts. So guess what? We get in some projects, we do some flips, right? And then we could buy and add more to our bags, right? Which I think is the plan, right? So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.